1,000 members of Unifor staged a rally in Victoria Park to support healthcare workers who were in contract negotiations with the hospitals.
The things that our parents and grandparents built, the things that our kids and grandkids deserve, like public health care, that's why we're here today, my friends. That's why we fight.
Number one, it's about respect for the healthcare workers in the province of Ontario. It's about wages. It's about the austerity program that's being imposed, continually being imposed. It really is about staffing levels at hospitals, at nursing homes. It's about the whole gambit. But also it's about the healthcare accord that Harper refuses to renegotiate. In the last 10 years, that's been about $40 million have gone over and above into healthcare just to maintain the services we have today.
Because of the funding cuts, they're under increasing stresses in their workplace. There's understaffing. There's all kinds of different stresses that have happened to healthcare workers, and their wages have been frozen for years.
Union leaders indicated they are adopting a more aggressive approach, and more labor unrest is in the future.
We're going to do things a little bit differently, and it's going to be a lot more militant, a lot more grassroots mobilization, a lot more community interaction. There's going to be some interesting developments coming in the next 6 months. We're making gains as far as with some of our wage agreements, but it isn't. The gains that we are making aren't even keeping up with the cost of living in most cases.
Like 1%, 1%?
Because there's a mindset out there that the corporations are more profitable than they ever have been. It's workers that are still expected to pay the price because of, and in large part because of globalization. A large part is because the employer, especially multinational corporations, are telling us that, hey, we can take this work and we can move it to a low cost jurisdiction, and there's nothing you can do about it. Our working people aren't happy. They're not, and you're seeing that in the political sphere. You've seen that municipally in the last municipal election. People are fed up. They're frustrated. They feel disenfranchised, and the only way that they can take it out is either in an election, vote the bums out, or when we're negotiating, a lot of times it's basically send a message to the employer, we're not happy.
For the London Free Press, this is Maurice Lamont.